It's time to discover, it's time to play. So let's get started right away.
Welcome to Loving to Learn. I'm Mrs. Grant, and today we're going to read the alphabet book, I. Let's get started. On the cover, it reads Alphabet Book I, and there's a picture of an iguana, and it's written and designed by Colleen S. Grant. So let's turn to the first page. And here we have the capital I, the small I, a picture of an igloo. Here's the word igloo. So we're going to read this page. I, igloo, I. Read it with me. I, igloo, I. One more time. I, igloo, I. Here we have a capital I and a small I, a picture of an iguana, just like on the cover. Here's the word iguana. So we're going to read this page. I, iguana, I. Read it with me. I, iguana, I. One more time. I, iguana, I. Here we have a capital I and a small I and a picture of an island, and here's the word island. Now because the I has the I sound instead of the I, we're going to say I, island, I, because that's the sound that the letter makes. Read it with me. I, island, I. One more time. I, island, I. Here we have a capital I and a small I and a picture of a boy slipping on ice. You can see the ice right there. Here's the word ice. And again, that is the sound I. So we're going to read this page. I, ice, I. Read it with me. I, ice, I. One more time. I, ice, I. Here we have a capital I and a small I and a picture of icicles. Look at, he's looking at the icicles like they're gonna fall. Here's the word icicle. Again, that is the sound I. So we're gonna read this. I, icicle, I. Read it with me. I, icicle, I. One more time. I, icicle, I. Turn the page. We have a capital I, a small I, a picture of ice cream. Ooh, everybody loves ice cream. Here's the word ice cream. You can see it's two words, ice and cream. Again, it is the sound I. So we're going to say I, ice cream, I. Read it with me. I, ice cream, I. Here we have a capital I, a small I, a picture of a in. Here's the word in. Here, the I has the sound I. So we're going to read this page. I, in, I. Read it with me. I, in, I. One more time. I, in, I. Then at the end we have I read this book 15 times. So you're going to cross out each time you read this book, read it 15 times. Then I want you to get the alphabet chart, cross out the I that you've read the alphabet book I. Once you've read all the alphabet books, go take the checkup. And this will tell us that you know the capital letters, the small letters, and the letter sounds. You did a super fantastic job today. See you later, alligator.